Hey there, folks! If you're an iPhone user, you might have experienced your phone randomly vibrating for seemingly no reason. Well, don't worry. There's a fascinating explanation for this mystery. So, what's causing these unexpected vibrations? It turns out that the popular mobile game, Pokemon Go, is the sneaky culprit. Even if the game is running in the background, some trainers using iPhones started feeling these phantom vibrations after updating to version 281.0. But what's the connection? Pokemon Go uses GPS to let you catch and train Pokemon in the real world. These vibrations actually indicate a notification or Pokemon appearance. So, that buzz you feel means a new Pikachu, Charmander, or Bulbasaur has just spawned nearby. Niantic, the company behind Pokemon Go, acknowledged the issue and is investigating it. Unfortunately, it's not completely fixed yet. Now let's talk solutions. Some users found that updating the Pokemon Go app resolved the problem. Others simply turned off vibrations in the game settings. And for those who want to conserve battery and prevent these vibrations, consider disabling the game's location access when it's closed. You can do this in your iPhone settings. So there you have it. If your iPhone is vibrating without any notifications, remember, it might just be a Charizard waiting to be caught nearby in Pokemon Go. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks on this channel. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.